Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see magnetic induction, also it is called as magnetic field strength and magnetic induction due to an isolated pole. Okay. So magnetic induction or magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength at a point inside the magnetic field is defined as the force experienced by a unit north pole at that point. So if you place a unit north pole inside the magnetic field, so this is magnetic field, for example this is magnetic field. Okay, this is magnetic field. Let us take this field is due to this north pole. This field is due to north pole. Now if you place a unit north pole here somewhere at this point P, okay, if you place a unit north pole strength P, it will experience some force here, repulsive force, as it is unit north pole and north pole field, both repulsive. So here it will be repelled by the north pole. Okay, means it will experience repulsive force. Okay, at this point. So that with how much force it is repelling, this north pole is repelling this unit north pole, that force is called here magnetic field strength at that point. You should not think that magnetic field strength is same inside of the field. No. Okay, magnetic field strength is different at different points. Magnetic field strength is more at the points which are near to the north pole, and magnetic field strength is less at the points which are farther from the north pole. So it depends upon the distance of those points, okay, which are like from the north pole. Okay, from this north pole, usually this magnetic field, if you take unit north pole, the magnetic field acts away from the north pole and towards from the south pole. Okay, so north pole, if you place a unit north pole here, north pole, so here the field acts in this direction, B bar. It is represented by B bar. Okay, and if you take a south pole, okay, this is field. And if you take a south pole, and if you take a unit north pole, this is unit north pole, this is the field, then the field acts towards the south pole like this. This is the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so to calculate this magnetic field is nothing but the force exerts by this pole or force experienced by the unit north pole. So that magnetic field is equal to F bar by M, force experienced by unit north pole, that is unit north pole strength is M. So B bar is equal to F bar by M. This is the formula which we can use to calculate magnetic field strength at that point. And SI units are, okay, SI Newton per ampere meter, or we have standard unit is there, Tesla can be written as T, or Weber per meter square. These are the units for magnetic induction. And CGS unit we have Gauss, it can be written as in small g. So 1 Gauss is equal to 10 power minus 4 Tesla, minus 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So this is about magnetic field. Okay, so once again, this magnetic field strength, magnetic induction or magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength is nothing but the force experienced by a unit north pole or force acting per unit north pole. That is called magnetic field induction or magnetic field strength. Okay, right? For north pole, unit north pole, by this north pole the field acts away, and for south pole it acts towards. This is the direction of magnetic field, as it is vector quantity, so it is vector quantity. Okay, so next we will see magnetic induction due to an isolated pole. So isolated pole, actually monopole does not exist, but here we are assuming a monopole. Okay, let us take this is north pole or south pole, like, okay, you take north pole, it is having a field. Okay, this much field is there, for example. Now I want to calculate magnetic field strength or magnetic induction at this point. This is the point P, at this point, which is at a distance r. Okay, right. Now if I assume here one unit north pole at this point, this unit north pole will experience the force in which direction? In this direction. Okay, so field also acts in this direction, B bar. Okay, right. Now to calculate magnetic field strength at this point, we can take the formula B bar is equal to, or B is equal to F by M. B is equal to force acting per this unit north pole. Unit north pole, you can take here pole strength of this north pole M1, okay, and M1 is equal to M, and here At this point you are taking unit north pole, which is m2 is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 1 unit. Then F by m2, force acting on this unit north pole, that is m2. Now here F, you know formula, magnetic force, Coulomb force, mu naught by 4 pi into m1 m2 by r square. The distance between these two is r square, into denominator m2 is there, so m2 gets cancelled. Therefore magnetic induction at that point B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r square. This is the formula which we can use to calculate magnetic field or magnetic induction, magnetic field strength or magnetic induction at given point inside the field. Okay, so direction is very important here. If you take due to north pole, the magnetic field or magnetic field strength or magnetic induction acts away. If you take south pole, the magnetic field strength or magnetic moment acts towards. Okay, so this is the direction of magnetic induction, and this is the formula, important formula. This is magnetic field strength, P is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into m by r square. Okay, thank you.